Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to make a slime. Alice! So back again. And we're going to put glitter glue. Pink glitter glue. Pink. Kano po siya? Ito 6,150 pesos. International.
Sama na?
What can I do for you, sir?
Video ni mo?
Hindi.
Ano ba yan? Sabon?
Hindi. Slime.
Oh! Sige mo siya!
I'm going to make slime.
Ano na, sabon?
Please, no. Hindi sabon. Slime. Yung sabon. Ay, gusto mo na bris,
Ano naman yan, Gia?
What? Just buying sintod. My favorite time to making slime. My favorite. Pag ma-empty na yung ito na detergent. Oh God, ang dami. Daming liquid. So pink. Ang daming liquid, guys. Liquid detergent. For me, I'll put the liquid detergent in. Oh my! I really like it. The green and so nice. Pink. Oh my God, it's really good. So I have nothing to wear with it, but I really like it. There's nothing to do with it, but I like it. So happy! It's my first time to make glitter glue slime. Kasi guys, alam nyo nga guys. So I'm just going to get rid of this. Mayroong red pala. Mayroon pong green, red, yellow, or pink, purple, and blue. Oh my God, it's so sticky! Put more liquid detergent. Not sticky. Make a glitter slime. Since I make a glitter slime, I can make my own slime at Harry House. And hindi ko po binili yung 400 pesos ko.
Guys, dito. Saan ka ba kung nakadungog ano?
Para pakuratan siya ba?
May hidden phone po nakita ako dito.
Pakuratan siya ka?
108 pesos.
Siga.
Yung malaki po, 208.
Dito sok.
Inaangkat eh.
Dito sa panghawak.
Wait lang guys.